Saudi Arabia is in line of getting more and more reforms on the way. And now a new development is coming, which is the Muqab cube-shaped super city to be built in Saudi Arabia. And today we will be looking into it. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be studying about a new cube-shaped super city which will be coming in the Saudi Arabia named Muqab. So let us first see the timeline of the video. First we will be looking at the news and about Muqab, then about its features, then why the cube design is preferred for building this city, then the new Murabba project, and is the structure inspired by the Kaaba or not, and then in the end reforms in Saudi Arabia. In the end, a prelims MCQ. So this topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, which is International Relations. You should be able to know from exam perspective that what is Muqab and then about the reforms in Saudi Arabia. So let's get started and see the news. And the news has been taken from the Indian Express, and it says, what is Muqab? A cube-shaped super city to be built in Saudi Arabia which can fit 20 Empire State buildings. So important words is, first is what is Muqab, which is a cube-shaped super city to be built in which country? So it is the country of Saudi Arabia. You should be able to know the name of the cube-shaped building that is going to be set up and then in which country. So first let us see the map of Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia lies in the Middle East, and this is the map of Saudi Arabia, which shares its border with Yemen, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Iraq, Israel. And the Muqab will be set up in the capital city of Saudi Arabia, which is Riyadh. So this is the place where Muqab will be set up. Now about the news. On February 16th, Saudi Arabia has unveiled its latest grand plan to transform its capital city. As we all know that more and more reforms are coming up in Saudi Arabia, so that the economy of Saudi Arabia, which is totally oil dependent, can reform itself and can shift its economic dependency to some other aspects also. And one and foremost among them is the private sector, which is being set up in the capital city of Saudi Arabia. And this new project which is coming up in Riyadh, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia, is called the Muqab, and the meaning of Muqab is cube in Arabic. So the meaning of or the name of the city is Muqab, and the meaning of Muqab is cube. So, and the building will also be cube shaped, and this will be world's first immersive experiential destination where you enter a new reality. So this, the city of Muqab or the building of Muqab will be a complete, altogether a new architectural marvel and a engineering marvel, and one will be able to completely enter in a virtual world, you can say, because this will be completely different from the space that we are in today's time, as Muqab will be will have all the integration of all the world-class facilities in it. I will be coming towards what will be its features in the coming slide. And this will be world's largest modern downtown in the kingdom's capital, Riyadh. And as we all know that Saudi Arabia is extremely rich in itself, so it can afford to build cities or build places which have all the world facilities included in it and can be regarded as an architectural marvel in itself. So these are few of the pictures of Muqab, and this will be this is how actually the building will look like. And this is, I would say, is one of the most amazing things and an architectural marvel you would be able to see in the last decade. So this is exactly how the building of Muqab will look like, and this is the picture how the complete town would look like. And it will have all the facilities, from residential facilities to dining facility to hospitality to entertainment, retail. It will be comprising of every single facility that a person needs to feel good or to feel comfortable or to feel luxury or elite. So this is of overview of how the town would look like, and in the end I will also be showing you a video which will actually make you very clear about how the Mukaab town would look like. Now let's talk about Mukaab. So what is the meaning of Mukaab? So as I told you in the previous slide that the meaning of the word Mukaab is cube, and this in Arabic it means cube, and as we saw in the previous slide that the building is in the shape of a cube, and there is a reason why the building is made in the cube shape, because it is easy to make, and plus the space can also be used very well, and the building would be 40 meters in height, width and length. Okay, see again, so the height, the width and the length, everything would be 400 meters. Then this will be the largest inner city building in the country, and it will be at the heart of the New Murabba project. So there is a township or a project which is named as New Murabba project, and in the New Murabba project, or you can say at the center of the New Murabba project, or the USP, or at the center of the New Murabba project would be the Mukaab building, or the Mukaab space that is famously known as, and this Mukaab space is what will be the highlight of the New Murabba project. And New Murabba project is a plan to create the world's largest and modern downtown in Riyadh, and this will be known when it will be made, or when the construction would be completed in the year 2030, then this will be known as an architectural or an engineering marvel all over the world, because this will be one of the most modern downtown people would come across around the globe. Now let's talk about few of the features of Mukaab building. So this will be big enough to hold 20 Empire State buildings, and this will house around 1 lakh residential units, 9,000 hotel rooms, 1.4 million square meter of office space, and dozens of entertainment and cultural venues. So looking at this features, you can say that this will be a place which will be having the hospitality, dining, entertainment region, office spaces. So it will be kind of a city in itself. Then 1.8 million square meter of space for community facilities, and this will be built using the modern Najdi architectural style. Okay, and this Najdi architectural style is important for you to know, because this has been followed by the people of Saudi Arabia since generations, and this is the architectural style which is usually used in Saudi Arabia. And in this Najdi architectural style is perfected over generations to be best suited for the region's desert climate. So this architectural style is famous because looking into the weather or the climatic conditions of the countries of Saudi Arabia, this architectural style has been set and has been used since generation, because its design focuses on naturally controlling the climate inside the structure. And when something has been used over generations, then it means that this architectural style has been working really well for the people of Saudi Arabia. Now let's come to that why the design has been chosen in the cube form only. Then the cube form or the cube design of the building or the cube shape of the building is actually which ensures the ultimate utilization of space, because if instead of cube some other size would be used, then it requires a lot of space, and a lot of space also gets wasted. While when a building is made in the cube shape, then the utilization of space is almost done 100%. Then it also serves as a functional purpose by limiting energy requirement inside it. So the energy requirements can also be set up or can also be used to the maximum. Then this will be an immersive experience which will be created inside the cube using latest digital technology and holographics. I will be showing you the video in which you will actually be able to understand that why this is called as a architectural marvel, or this will be regarded as the most technologically and most modern downtown of the world. And at the center will be a tower atop a spiral base, which will be a premium hospitality destination. I'll just show you this picture. Okay, see this? So this will be a tower which has spiral base, and above this tower will be a hospitality destination. Okay, then there will be retail, cultural, tourist, commercial and luxury residential attractions. So it would be a complete place in itself, where if a person wants to go for vacations and they are looking for a destination which has all the functions inscribed in it, or which is completely useful in itself and is complete and has all the facilities involved in itself, then the Mukaab or the New Murabba project would be a very good destination for the people. And this will also increase the tourism sector of Saudi Arabia, as already Saudi Arabia is trying a lot of things to get reforms and make things better, and tourism is one of it. As a few years back only, the NEOM, that is the NEOM project, was announced by the Saudi Arabia. Then there is 2030 vision of Saudi Arabia, and now the Mukaab building or the New Murabba project is one of the aspect of this reform movement. Now let us talk about the New Murabba project, of which Mukaab building would be a part. Then this New Murabba project would be spread over 19 square kilometer area, and this will be 15-minute walking radius. So it is not that the space would be very large, it is the facilities in that space which will make the space to be a world-class facility. And this New Murabba project will be built around the concept of sustainability, and the amount involved would be very huge, and this is done for Saudi Arabia to move away from totally dependent oil GDP, and they need to move away from this dependence on oil and needs to find all other aspects also from where they can run their GDP. And the Mukaab will be the highlight of this New Murabba project, and it is currently unclear how much the project would actually cost. So the Saudi Arabia government is looking into finalizing the cost of the project, which till now has not been finalized. Now let us talk about that, is the structure inspired by Kaaba? So many people are saying that the structure of Mukaab is inspired by Kaaba, but the government of Saudi Arabia has not said anything regarding this. So Kaaba is located in Makkah, which is the holiest city for Muslim, and this is the structure of how Kaaba structure actually looks like, and it is situated in Makkah, which is the holiest place for all the Muslims, and they go there for Hajj pilgrimage and they circumambulate around the Kaaba. So this black color box which you are able to see is Kaaba. So when people go to Makkah for Hajj pilgrimage, so they move around this space, and people are saying that the building of Mukaab actually looks like Kaaba. Now it's time for reforms in Saudi Arabia. So few of the points is that now we just now seen the New Murabba project is one of its aspects, and then there is a string of ambitious architectural projects which are going on in the country Saudi Arabia. One of them is the NEOM project, which is building a futuristic mega city consisting of all the world-class facilities in it. And then Saudi Arabia also has a zero carbon goal or net neutrality. The target they have set for themselves is 2060. Then there is Vision 2030 also for Saudi Arabia, which is aimed at revolutionizing the country's economy and lifestyle and less oil dependent by investing in the private sector. As we all know that Saudi Arabia is one of the biggest and has always been in the top 3 oil exporting countries. So it is majorly dependent on oil for their GDP, but now they are planning reforms to shift their complete dependence on oil to some other things also, and tourism is one of the regions of it, and then investing a lot in the private sector. Now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and before the prelims MCQ, I'll show you the video of how the new Murabba project would actually look like. Okay, now I will be showing you the video of the new Murabba project. This we have taken it from their site. Okay, this is how the building of Mukaab will actually look like, and this will be in center of the new Murabba project, and this is how the whole township would look like, which is comprising of many features. You can see residential, dining, hospitality, entertainment, and few of the insights of how the project would look like. 400 meter is the length, width and height of the Mukaab building. Incredible holographics would also be there, as the township would be consisting of all the world-class facilities in it, full of greeneries. So that's it. Now that you have seen the video, I hope the video must be really helpful for you to actually understand that how the Mukaab building or the new Murabba project would actually look like. And now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And this says, the Saudi Arabia commits to net zero emissions by 2040, 2050, 2060 or 2070. So tell me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.